Hey guys! Are you want to buy best car sunshades? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best car sunshades that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at a Windshield car sunshade. This one-piece car sunshade is available in 7 different sizes, the most of any we cover, to give you a custom fit for a variety of cars, trucks, and SUVs. At the smallest size listed, this shade is about 59 inches wide by 21 inches tall and 69 inches wide by 39 inches tall at the largest. There's also roughly 9 inches of slack in the center for narrower windshields. Along with the size range, we appreciate the manufacturer's easy-to-read size chart. The shade folds in half and twists into a compact package to stow in the included storage bag. Performing this operation inside a car may be too unwieldy, however, so we recommend collapsing it outside. This feature makes it convenient to store without taking up much space in your vehicle. The material used is highly reflective, ensuring maximum protection against the sun's harmful UV rays. It not only keeps your car cool but also protects the interior from fading and cracking. Now our second product is Easyshade Reflective 2-Piece Sunshade. This simple kit comes with 2 rounded rectangular shades, with 3 sizes available to suit everything from smaller coupes to larger SUVs. For narrower windshields, the pieces easily overlap, which gives a degree of adjustability. To install, the semi-rigid sides of each shade are simply pushed into the windshield frame, then the factory sun visors can flip down for additional support. Before you disembark, you can twist them into a compact size and zip them into the included carrier bag. The 2-piece design allows for more flexibility and a better fit for your vehicle's windshield. This sunshade is highly reflective, ensuring that your car remains cool even on the hottest days. It's lightweight and easy to handle, making it a great choice for everyday use. Our third product is Dash Design's Retractable Windshield Sunshade. This product uses an accordion-style polyester material, much like a cellular shade. That also lends it a great degree of adjustability, as you can stretch the shade to your desired width. The only drawback is that you have to adjust the size every time you install the shade. The full height of the fabric measures 25 inches, and it weighs less than a pound. Installation is a snap, with double-sided tape to mount it to the passenger side, and it connects to a hook that's mounted on the driver's side. When not in use, the shade stores inside the casing, so it's fairly inconspicuous. This sunshade is perfect for those who prefer a permanent installation that is always ready to use. Its retractable feature makes it convenient and easy to deploy. Now number 4, Innovo Car Window Sunshade. Perfect for parents or rideshare drivers, this shade is meant to live on side windows instead of the main windshield, left in place while you're driving. The mesh fabric filter eliminates sunlight glare and blocks a claimed 90% of UV rays while still allowing a good amount of outward visibility. The medium-sized car sunshade comes in either a 2 or a 4-pack for more coverage options. Larger versions are also available to suit bigger sedans and SUVs. The only caveat is that you can't roll down the window while the shade is stuck to it. This sunshade is ideal for keeping your passengers, especially children, protected from the sun's rays. It's easy to install and remove, making it a versatile option for any vehicle. And our last choice is MagnaLex Windshield Sunshade. Finally, we have the MagnaLex Windshield Sunshade. This extra-large shade offers 65.7 by 36.4 inches of coverage for use in pickup trucks and SUVs. It features a reflective silver polyester outer layer to fully block both UV and heat. It can also fold in half for storage, but the large size may make that process more difficult. There's a storage bag included, along with a bonus steering wheel cover, which can help keep the vehicle's controls at a safe temperature while parked in the heat. The MagnaLex sunshade is designed to offer maximum protection and coverage for larger vehicles. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, making it a great investment for those looking to keep their car cool and protected. So, what do you think about this video? If you found it really helpful in making your decision easier, kindly subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to be notified about our upcoming videos. We put a lot of effort into providing you with the best reviews and product information to help you make informed choices. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more great content. Don't forget to check the links in the description box for more details about the products mentioned. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more.